Ever wondered about the simplicity and convenience a smart home can bring to your life? It's not as complex as it may seem. We're about to delve into 5 must-have items that can transform your home into a smart one. Starting with a smart speaker. This device acts as the epicenter of your smart home setup, allowing you to control all your smart devices with simple voice commands. The leading contenders in this category include Amazon's Echo and Google's Home. They not only play your favorite tunes, but also help you manage your day-to-day tasks. Next up, smart lighting. Imagine not having to get up to switch off the lights or being able to dim them for a cozy movie night. Smart lighting systems like Philips Hue or Lifts allow you to control the brightness, color, and even schedule when the lights turn on or off. The third item on our list is a smart thermostat. Devices like the Nest Learning Thermostat or the Ecobee Smart Thermostat can monitor your heating and cooling habits, adjusting the temperature automatically to your liking and even saving energy in the process. The fourth item we recommend is a smart doorbell with a device like Ring or Nest. Hello, you can see who's at your door even when you're not home. They provide real-time video of your front door and offer two-way communication. Finally, we have the smart plug. These devices might seem small, but they pack a punch. Smart plugs like those from TP-Link or Belkin allow you to turn any appliance into a smart device. Imagine being able to turn on your coffee machine while still in bed. In summary, 5 things to start your journey into the world of smart homes are a smart speaker, smart lighting, a smart thermostat, a smart doorbell, and a smart plug. These devices, while enhancing your home's convenience, add a touch of sophistication and modernity to your living space. Remember, the smart home revolution is not just about cool gadgets, but also about creating a home that caters to your lifestyle, making your daily routines more efficient, and ultimately more enjoyable. So why wait? Embark on your smart home journey today. In our journey today, we've covered the top 5 essentials to kickstart your smart home experience. A smart speaker, smart lighting, a smart thermostat, a smart doorbell, and a smart plug. These devices are more than just trendy additions to your home. They're about reshaping your living space to be more efficient, convenient, and tailored to your lifestyle. But the world of smart homes doesn't end here. There's so much more to explore, like smart security systems, smart appliances, and even smart garden equipment. Remember, the goal is to create a home that works for you, not the other way around. So don't limit yourself. Explore, experiment, and most importantly, enjoy the process. In our next video, we will delve deeper into these other exciting aspects of smart homes. So make sure you stay tuned. Happy smart living to you all.